Hey there, welcome to my video on the health benefits of papaya. Now, I know what you're thinking. Papaya? That's the weird looking fruit that's always sitting alone in the fruit basket at the grocery store. But hear me out. This tropical fruit is packed with nutrients and can provide numerous health benefits. First off, let's talk about papaya's digestive superpowers. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, that helps break down tough protein fibers, making it easier for your body to digest. So, if you've been feeling bloated and gassy lately, a papaya a day might just keep the doctor away. But wait, there's more. Papaya is also loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, that can help reduce inflammation in the body. And let's face it, inflammation is the root of all evil when it comes to our health. So, why not add a little papaya to your diet and keep those pesky health problems at bay? And if you're worried about heart health, don't fret. Papaya's got you covered there too. It's rich in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels, and potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Plus, the antioxidants in papaya can help protect your heart from oxidative damage. But the benefits don't stop there. Papaya is also a great immune booster, thanks to its high vitamin C content. And we all know that a healthy immune system is key to fighting off those pesky colds and flus. Now, let's talk about the beauty benefits of papaya. Yes, you heard me right. Beauty benefits. Papaya is rich in vitamins A and C, which can help promote healthy skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Plus, the papain enzyme in papaya can help exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your skin looking fresh and glowing. And last, but not least, papaya is also a great food for weight loss. It's low in calories and high in fiber, so it'll keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. So, if you're looking to shed a few pounds, why not give papaya a try? In conclusion, papaya is a tropical fruit that's not only delicious but also loaded with health benefits. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't pass up that lonely papaya sitting in the fruit basket. Grab it, chop it up, and enjoy all the health benefits this amazing fruit has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has convinced you to give papaya a chance.